Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and fix your Omegle error connecting to server. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you would do is first of all you're going to go ahead and access your Chrome browser itself on top and go to the search bar and type in Omegle, right? If you do that, this online Omegle for the official website will come up to you, where you're gonna go ahead, tap on visit omegle.com. Here you're gonna go ahead, you're gonna use it according to your needs, status, share the video. But if it's not working, there are a few things you can see. First, we would be simply checking Omegle's service status. For that, you go to top, tap on this, type in Omegle server status. Once you have seen, you're gonna go ahead, find this Omegle down, current out, days and problems. You can see if the Omegle's server is down or not from itself. If it's down, then of course you're gonna find this error kind of problem, and the other would be simply restarting your router. And you can simply go ahead, switch your device as well for the sake, and you can again use a VPN to change the region and again try to use it. Other would be simply restart your network configuration, or you can restart the device once and try to use it. Those are some solutions. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.